10 años harus.
One time HNO3 and 3 times HCl, it will become aquaregia. So when we will add this sample, what we will do, we will weigh this sample around 25 grams. We will take into beaker and then we will pour aquaregia into it. What will aquaregia do? It will break down the silica matrix. So pour aquaregia around 100 ml and then we will keep them on the hot plate. These three are the hot plates. Around 250 degrees Celsius, we will keep these samples on the hot plate for around 3 to 4 hours. So what will happen? The gold present in the silica matrix, it will break down and dissolve in aquaregia. Okay? So as you all know, gold जो है, it is a very non-reactive. What will happen? Let's say this beaker, right? इसमें हमारे पास क्या रहेगा? Sample रहेगा. We will have sample of this soil sample. Aquaregia, we poured it around 100 ml. We will keep on the hot plate for 4 hours or 2-3 hours. Then we will remove it until aquaregia will be evaporated to 50 ml. Right? अब उससे क्या होगा? The amount of gold present in the silica matrix, जो मिट्टी में soil, whatever gold present in the soil, it will come into aquaregia. And then what we will do? We will pour 1% HCl into it. And we will keep. This is the gold instrument called as GTA, Graphite Tube Analyzer. This is one of the finest instrument to analyze gold, silver, cadmium, etc. and etc. So what will happen in this instrument? Basically, first of all, whenever we learn any instrument or any process, we have to learn its principle. So what is principle of AAS, Atomic Absorption Spectrometer? This is basically Atomic Absorption Spectrometer, and specifically called as graphite tube atomizer. I know these terms are very heavy, but try to understand. Automatically it will take sample from here. Now this instrument can analyze gold only taking 100 microliters of sample. Now see how advanced this instrument is. 100 microliters. Micro is, anyone can tell me what is micro? 10 to the power minus 6. So 10 raised to power minus 6 liters. इतना कम amount sample लेके it will give us gold, right? So this is a very sensitive and accurate instrument. Now this sample will go to a tube. अभी sample यहाँ से sample लिया, यहाँ से light आई, तो ये जो sample यहाँ से ये auto analyzer लेगा, it will reach to graphite tube. Since very long I am talking कि graphite tube analyzer, graphite tube analyzer. What does it mean? We have a graphite tube. This is a graphite tube. See.
Graphite tube.
See, everyone. This is a graphite tube. There is a little hole in here, right? Now what will happen? This auto analyzer will deliver the sample in this graphite tube. Now this graphite tube can sustain high temperatures. So this instrument will increase the temperature and the sample will atomize and it will convert to gaseous ions. Now the light will pass through gaseous ions and that gold will absorb 242.8 nanometer light. कितनी light वो absorb करेगा? Amount of light it will absorb, that will be reflected on this computer and will be calculated as amount of gold, that is AU. Now this instrument can calculate gold up to ppb levels, parts per billion. What is parts per billion? Parts per million. Anyone can? So this is a very sensitive instrument, so it can calculate